Hello everyone. Let's see how to manage network agents inventory in MT ONE. Now let's move to the login process. Enter your registered email address and click on Send OTP. Enter the OTP received in your email and log into your account. Now we will learn how to add an agent property. To get started, navigate Network Inventory section from the dashboard. Then click on Add Agent Property. This will open the property submission form. Start by entering the agent name and agent contact number. Next, enter the property location and select the appropriate property type. Then, choose the BHK type and enter the demand price of the property. If applicable, enter the security deposit amount and specify whether the price is negotiable by selecting yes or no. You can also add any additional information or important remarks in the property notes section. Click on Submit to add the property successfully. Once the property is submitted, you can view all added properties along with agent details, property location, BHK type, price, and property notes. To quickly find a specific property, use the available filter options such as agent name, property location, property type, and BHK type. Click on Load to apply the filters or Clear to reset them. You can also use the action buttons to edit or delete the property whenever required. That's it. Thank you for watching.